Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to turn on multi-guest request on TikTok Live. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, tap on the plus sign right here. Okay. Now let's go ahead over to live or the live section. Okay. And here we're going to go ahead and tap on go live and just wait for the countdown. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Once you're live, these panels right here will open up. So just basically tap on guest. Okay. Here in the bottom left, tap on it. Now go to settings right here at the top right. Make sure that allow request from viewers is turned on. Okay. And if you want to as well, you could go ahead and share recordings with guests. After each live, guest can receive and post the recordings to promote your live. That is it. Just go back and you can show the layout right here. You can go ahead and tap on plus invite right here and tap on invite. And you can go ahead and invite any of your friends right here. And that is it. And if you're done doing the multi-guest live, just tap on guest once more and just tap on this X button. Okay. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.